What is good, YouTube? Back with another video. Starting off this brand new week on a fresh Monday. Already in profit on a trade. I'll give you guys a breakdown on the analysis here. So we know that last week we hit all-time high, which was so great for everyone who actually got in there. I got in there. Most of my guys got in there. We was all eating. I'm pretty sure everybody was eating, but the point is, this week or today, we're looking very bearish. Not only we were at all-time highs, but the new week opening gap open right below it, where the consequent encroachment is right in the midpoint of it, coming straight back down to it, and probably pushing you further down. So daily candle is bearish. 15-minute market structure is definitely bearish. So we're looking to see if price is going to come back down to maybe a key liquidity point, or like the cluster of opening gaps over here, or maybe it stops out its luck here and start moving upwards at this buy side fair value gap way down below from last week. So there was already people already know, like, taking sells last night, and they seen prices at all-time highs, and they seen like consistent moving bearish, moving downwards. It was like, no, there was no games playing. Everyone was getting in the sell the moment they seen it. So I myself is in this sell from this huge engulfing bearish candle, and I want to see it actually come down to either liquidity or the cluster of opening gaps, which is literally inches away from each other. They're like next door neighbors. So we'll see what 9:30 market open bring and 10 a.m. reversals bring, because I want to actually take full advantage of this today. I'm sure everybody will, but we got like 9 minutes left anyway. Yeah. Let's see. So this is a sell side fair value gap on the 15. This is a sell side fair value gap on the 15. It was reclaimed after we seen that it was broken and went straight back down. So I'm looking for like the most optimal trading entry, OTE, looking for that, which is basically the deepest part of a trade that we can come back to, a deep key part like this area right here. Not only because it's inside of a fair value gap, but there's also another fair value gap right there that it could reference to. And we have an institutional order flow entry drill right here. It's part of the price delivery, so we could use that too. And code that red. Then there's multiple opening gaps here. There's 1, 2, and that's it for right now. So kind of just waiting to see what price is going to do at 9:30 for me to even think about my next move. Other than that, looking at the 15, we're still super bearish, all because of that engulfing candle that I just hopped in. So looks pretty good, man. Looks pretty good. Again, there's no news, or if I didn't say it, there's no news today. Usually Mondays don't have news or anything really good. Lately it hasn't been good. It's just been empty news. No news Mondays, for real, is the new catchphrase for Mondays. But other than that, just waiting patiently, man. Just waiting patiently. I want to see if there's possible opportunities today for entries off of institutional order flows, or just OTE, or anything like that. I want to see, because this would be a huge day for people who have live accounts or just funded accounts. But like this right here is a good winning day. You know, there's no news, and price is going to stick to its algorithm. Like if we have an opening gap, cluster below, like it all makes sense. Like it just matters of, I would say, just time and price. There's always been that answer for everything. Time and price, man, because we can predict the move and we can get in early, but if it's not the right like literal time, like maybe market open or 10 universal, or maybe you have to let it finish building liquidity between 7 and 9, then most of the time you're not gonna really get what you came for. But I want to wait until 9:30 because I just want to be safer and just find the first day for value gap, take profit and leave. I'm not really trying to stick around for the chaos. Not really. But I see the 15 is like literally about to drop. So I just need like a strong pullback and also it be 9:30, and then let that boy flow like a waterfall straight down and just go from there. But I'm not gonna sit here and act like I know everything. I'm sitting here watching the market just like everybody else who's trading. So in that case, sit and wait, and we sit and wait. I got my standing desk. I'm on my standing desk right now. Kind of tired of sitting a little bit today, or this morning. So just waiting and standing. But notice how on the 15, price is actually giving us another fair value gap. But I have to let this candle form first to see, how much of an influence that is going to form that fair value gap. So we have this one and this one. Yeah, it's just this one on the 15. This one is probably on the 1 minute. But this guy right here is the most influential. We see that price came below, started playing around. I want to say it still broke above. It's like coloring inside the lines, but the wick did the damage. I want to say it broke above, but it still stayed true to the overall direction and massively tanked. So overall, like these two fair value gaps, this is like the meat and potatoes, and this is like, I guess, the money shot if you're very lucky to get in at the wick of something like that and then catch it down. So right now we're just waiting to see price come down to my targets, which is this guy here, which I'll change to target 1, or just target in general. This is my target here, and this is actually on a smaller time frame. And this is my target right here. Target 1, target 2. Like this whole area will be target 2, so I only got 2 targets today. Other than that, I'm not pushing for anything else. I'm not pushing for anything else. No. It's gonna be a good Monday. Gonna get a withdrawal. We're Gucci, man. Gucci, man. I swear I want a cat. You gotta give me a little cat. But yo, we have another fair value gap right here. And that one sort of kind of touched the midpoint, so it's not the safest. But from this point here, let me get this. From this point here, there's no fair value gaps. So what this is telling me, that the only way price is going to come back up if there's like a continuous, I guess, when market opens, if there is any like straight up resistance, price should come back up to here and then show its true colors, like going upwards or downwards. But if not, then we're going straight down, man. There's nothing to it. It might teeter totter a little bit. It might chop up like it usually do, but the answer's still clear. Like, we're gonna stay close to the new week opening gap, but we're gonna remain the same to the overall direction. We're still gonna go down. So there's no way for it to kind of like trick us out of our spot. Yeah. Yep. But it'll be also cool to see if price can actually give us a different scenario. But I'm not gonna go too deep into that and confuse everyone. So let's just keep it simple that it's selling for right now. Yeah, let's keep it simple. So we have a 15-minute fair value gap right here. Literally this huge engulfing candle created a fair value gap. This honestly might be our opportunity to get in on my live account. We just need a little bit more time. That's all we need. Need a little bit more time. But it's 9:31. Market opened just a minute ago. You know the drill. We just wait. I unplugged my iPad. We just wait for the first presented fair value gap of the day. We just wait for price to just make sense, and then we make change. I know that was kind of bad, but still, we just wait. That's all we need to do. We know that it's still bearish. No reason to get tricked up, scared, or anything. Like, look at that. Completely respected that freshly drawn fair value gap at the consequent encroachment of it, the midpoint. We just need to see if it's going to create a first fair value gap and go from there. So from here to here, from 9:30 to 10. Oh yeah, right there. This is my opening range gap, just in case I'm not seeing the picture. This is my insurance for myself. So if I don't see the direction overall, the opening range gap highlighted orange is going to make it obvious, because we're going to see which side has the most candles on it. So, and plus, we know that it's going to sell. We know that. Huge engulfing candle. It didn't leave too many fair value gaps for a price to really retrace to. But the only thing we have to keep in mind is that the consequent encroachment of the new week opening gap is in the field. It's going to be in play pretty soon. So it's kind of like we have to be careful, and we also have to be mindful of where we are. Because if this was the same scenario without the new week opening gap, we would just simply gravitate towards the new week opening gap or the cluster. But since we're in it, we have to wait. We have to kind of sit on our hands just to see price break out of the gravitational pull of the black hole, which is the new week opening gap. Oh yeah, that's right. I'm still in this trade too. In my other account. Let's just see. I got my stop loss to break. No, I got my stop loss to take profit. So I'm good. I'm cool. I want to see it actually reach those areas and then start reversing. I want to see that. So here's what I'll do. This is what I'll do. That there. I want this one in Pacific, really. Lowest hanging fruit, bro. Lowest hanging fruit mentality. Lowest hanging fruit mentality. That means we're gonna get in quick and we're gonna exit fast. Basically, we're not sticking around for too long. We're not gonna be on a Monday. No. No, 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 no. We still got 9 minutes on this candle. Still just gotta wait, bro. Just gotta wait. There's no first day fair value gap yet. So if it rejects at the consequent encroachment, that'd be like so perfect for a trade right there. Just literally. But we gotta wait and see. We're still in that playing field. Price shouldn't even go any higher for real because for one, the new week opening gap consequent encroachment is right there. We're literally at it. So if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But I know that if we're that close to a magnet, the magnet is stronger. We just have to see which side price wants to really like break away from. Oh, wait. Oh, not yet. We gotta wait. I was gonna say that this was the first one, but this candle's not done yet, so we'll just wait. But it does look like it though. Like from here to here, looks like that. But as soon as price just it's not it. No. So I'll just place marker it. Like as soon as price go back up, bro. And I know that we're not going to go any higher. When I know that we're not. Obviously, we're not going to sit here and be like, what do we do? I don't know. So, looks like we hit the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap, but we rejected this fair value gap. So, I should actually like make this lighter or something. No, I should make this lighter. This one, like here. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. So from here. So it looks like it's moving upwards. So just have to give it a minute. I want that sell. This is perfect, bro. Actually, this is perfect. This is perfect. I might actually take this. I might actually take this for real. I'll take it on my other account though. Oh, I was already stopped. Okay, never mind. I was already stopped out. So in profit. So we're good. I'll take this on my actual account. Where are we at? I'll take it. My actual account. Yo, it's dancing now. It's dancing. Don't do that dancing crap. You're still here, bro. Show me something, bro. Show me something. Show me something. I'm gonna put my stop loss like $100 right there. We're gonna just walk away. There. Cool. This is what I want. This is what I'm aiming for on my live account. So stop loss is very, very tight, bro. If I'm wrong, that's okay. I'm wrong. But doesn't mean I was wrong about the new week. Doesn't mean I was wrong about the cluster. doesn't mean I was wrong about market structure. I was right, but the timing could be wrong, and that's okay too. As long as I know the overall direction, I'm cool. So, yeah. Yep. We in there. We're in this trade. Let's see. We're like right here, which is perfect, bro. Perfect. Stop loss. Consequent encroachment of that. Bro, perfect. This is a perfect example. So I'm going to go to the 15, and I'm going to put my, where are we at? Oh, hold on. Yeah, it's right here. There we go. Click that and move that lower. Where are we at? Oh, basically right here. Yeah, we basically right here, broski. Oh my goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Don't do it to him. No, I was playing. Anyway. I'll just leave it right here, but this is what I'm aiming for real. This is exactly what we're looking for. Now I just need price to really commit to just tanking for real. Other than that, we should be straight. Should be straight. Just gotta commit to it now. Or what we can do, we can take institutional order flow entry drills. If we know that the price delivery is selling, all we have to do is measure wicks or take up fair value gaps or the tiny slits between everything is the institutional order flow entry drills. So we got like 3 minutes left. The price is fighting it, bro. It's fighting. And still my stops to break even. So yeah. Because I am not going to let you take anything from me. You just gotta bend the knee, bro. I'm not bending, bro. I'm not bending. So yeah. All right. So we came right back up to it too. Here. Bro, come on. In here. So I just bro, basically just got stopped out prematurely. It looked like it's wanting to come up there a little bit more. I'll give it like 2 more minutes. I'll give it 2 more minutes. There's literally 1:50 on this 15-minute candle, which we know was lower than the engulfing candle. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait for it to come up here, or if it goes any lower, I wanna find it. It's kind of hard because there's no fair value gaps, but that's what I want though. They're still there at the consequent encroachment of the new week, and we got a 1:20 left. I really wanted to come back up here. I think I might. So if it's here, bro, we gotta do it from here. That's at least like 200 right there. And then yeah, okay. At least 200. Okay. Got like 30 seconds left in this candle. Yup. It's trying to climb, It's no, not even trying to climb. It's staying exactly at the new week opening gap, consequent encroachment. Exactly there. So we just need price to be strong enough to just get away from it. And when it gets away from it, it doesn't even matter which way we take. We just need to get out of it. So we got 3 seconds left, and then we'll see. Swear. What are you working with? Huh? What we got? Another bullish candle. Yo. Yeah, 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 yeah. Well, going from the open range gap, yeah. It's about to test all that. I see. Okay, well, okay. I got you. The new week opening gap is right there. Yeah, first day. This might be a change in character if it keeps going higher. Like, to this point right here is a change of character. That right there. That's a change of character right there. If it reaches and passes it, then I would consider buying. But other than that, we still have to take the same route we always take. Bro, this thing is actually climbing. Yeah, well, I would rather just be safe. I would rather be safe. This is for sure just, this one has to go. But this one right here, this one definitely has to change into a inversion. So it looks like we got a little bit of support here. A little bit, but gotta just wait and see, man. That would be a perfect entry for selling too. Ah, man, might have to see what this one's about. Yeah, I'm taking this. I'm selling it. I'm selling it. Well, that stop loss would have been hit so fast. That's much better. I'm in there. So 100 right there. Oof. Look at that, man. It was literally right there on the lips. Usually we use the one tick rule, but optimal trading entry, kind of have to trust the process for real and just give it time, because that is kind of wildly moving. But just need a little bit of process, that's all. From here, where we at? Yeah, we're like right here, and our stop loss is right above this guy. Yeah, that's about right. Yep, that's about right. Cool. We can breathe a little. Oh man, we can breathe a little. As soon as I go to 3, stop loss to break even. Because this has to drop. It has to drop significantly or just stick to the consequent encroachment of the new week opening gap. For real. Let it teeter totter and all that. And forget that. Stop loss to break even. Ugh. All right, cool. Fine. Be like that. Be like that. I don't know, bro. It's really not moving for. Well, it is Monday, so it is Monday. It is Monday. What is this? Cool. All right, move it. Bro, sticky. If you gonna do it, do it. If you gonna do it, do it. Drop. It's literally fighting it, but oh, we have a fair value gap right here. Yeah, we got a full fair value gap right there. Look like it. It literally looks like it's fighting too, man. It's gonna be too much on my screen. It looked like it's buying for real. But as soon as we see like a moment of weakness, because the change of character is way up there, and it looked like it's not trying to have the strength to go back up there. Darn. I think I just played myself with an entry right there. Boom, just get out. Call it a day. Just get out, call it a day. Just get out, call it a day. Might have to see what 10 a.m. reversal's looking like. Right back there at the institutional order flow entry drill. I might have to get rid of it because it's not really sticking. So might have to I guess you're wondering where I've been. I came back to let you know a thing for you, and I can't let it go. Yeah, bro, I think it's about to change a character, and we're gonna move higher. I mean, check the daily. Is the daily being influenced? The daily is definitely being influenced. So it's only a matter of time until we start seeing the real answer of where it's gonna go. See, this is the OTE that I was talking about. Did I draw this out? Yeah, right here. So I'm gonna take a sell here as soon as I see some good. If it doesn't pass this, man, pressing that button. I got like 6 minutes in it though. What we doing? What's going on? Oh, it didn't. It didn't pass consequent encroachment. So we still have a fighting chance. Fighting chance. Ooh, 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 ooh. So that other scenario that I just said I didn't want to confuse everybody with. The other scenario is when it turns into a buy. basically when price is not strong enough to go any lower. So we just need to see the characteristics of that. But this right here is the doorway to me talking more about that. Until it completely crosses it, I'm not talking about it. But it looked like we are going to sell. Bro, I completely missed my opportunity. Did I missed my fucking chance. Man, let it cook a little bit. Let it cook a little bit. I'm in there. I'm in there. Can't protect the loss all the time, but I'm in there, man. It just needs to do what it needs to do. Where are we at? Where's the... It's right here, so it should go lower. It got rejected. Once, twice, 3 times. So I'm just playing it super, super conservative with the tiny, tiny losses. Yep, with the tiny, tiny losses, which is how I'm doing it. So, yeah. Look at that thing. It's literally looking like it's going to go crazy. It's been moving non-stop back and forth though. I have an institutional. So I'm gonna get rid of this one. Get rid of that one. Oops. Get rid of this one. That's an institutional right there. Well, I'll just do this real quick. Sell that right there. Just waiting for it to hit that freaking institution order flow or reject it. Just waiting for real. I'm talking about this guy. And here. No, I don't think this is it. No, that is like too overcrowded right there. It should just be like a touch or just barely touch, and then it goes away. But starting to think maybe it's starting to be a buy, bro. That engulfing candles got overran by two bullish candles. If it actually has a break, if it actually has a change of character, then that'd be our solid buy. But just need time and price to work together. Bro, come together. Come hither. That would have been a solid buy though. But, oh well. That's not good, and that's not good. And this was selling, but it's inversed, so it's buying. Yep. So it's just a waiting game at this point. I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. 10 a.m. probably give us the answer. I really think if 10 a.m. can save us, if 10 a.m. can save us, then that'd be outstanding. Oh. What you gonna do to find enough? You tried everything, but you don't give up. That OTE position though. Like I said, if it crosses over, I'm switching to buying. Change of character. It's only a matter of time, man. So where else would it go though? Probably go up to here. Maybe. Yeah, it looks like it. Dang, bro, I'm actually gonna. This is gonna be a longer video. Where it still can have a chance to reverse on me and just go back to the downside, which I hope it does because I wanted sells. Like this is still a valid sell though, even though it has to really show us that it's selling off. So I'm gonna keep it, and this will be my last trade of the day. It is Monday. Call it good. Call it quits. What is it? I had like 2 break evens and two losses. I think this is definitely my last one. $10 a.m. reversal save the day. Yeah. All right, well, opening gap range look like it's bullish. It's kind of disappointing actually, but we do have our fair value gap, first day fair value gap, and we'll just go from there. See what happens. I really want that momentum gain back to sell because yes, it did break through and above, but it's actually coming back down, so we need to see if it's actually strong enough or not. So this is probably the determining factor for me. Oh shit, look at that. This is it for me right here, and then we're done for the day. On a Monday, put a constant encroachment right there. And I'll target my original target. It was like 12 right there. So I'll just leave it like that, which was over here. Yep, perfect. So I'll just leave it like that. And if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, and I'll walk away. It's such a beautiful day out, man. I usually don't want to trade so long too because it just mentally drains. So we'll just see how this goes and walk away. It's always tomorrow. What's tomorrow's news actually? Tomorrow's news is, well, we got high impact news at 10, so that's very strong 10 a.m. reversal. Like, let that come into play. Yeah, let that come into play. So we're like right here, like right there, and stop loss should be that candle there, which is good. Oh, wait. Yeah, no. Oh, okay, so it should be a little higher. I don't want it to be a little too higher. If it's gonna tank off, let it tank off. If not, just I'm not gonna fight it. French kissed it. Well, it is what it is. Done our best today. Done every technical analysis, man. If it was literally gonna go off, it should have went off. But it literally is like crazy. Alright then. I'll see you guys in the next video. And I will keep posting. So, and like, share, subscribe, and peace out.